Channel. Today's wig review is on the Butta Unit 20. Shout out to Sensationnel for sending me this unit. I got her in the color 1B. She is a middle part synthetic lace front wig with ear-to-ear lace. She has the 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Comes with HD lace, a pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. If you guys are interested in seeing the install, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave this video in chapters, so if you decide to skip the install, then go ahead and skip forward to the final look, final thought. unit 20, and I got her in the color 1B. It does come with baby hairs, ear to ear lace, and it does feature a wider parting space. So yeah, I really like her. I don't know if this is a human hair blend because it does feel like it. But yeah, it does come in cute colors. And I am wearing the 1B. I don't know if I mentioned it right now, but she is very cute, beautifully layered. Look at those curls. Yeah, there is little to no tangling. For the length of this unit, I'm surprised. It does not say how long she is, but she is long. Ooh, I like it. I don't remember how much she goes for, but I will put the price somewhere here in the screen, and I will try to leave a couple links to her in the description box. I don't have no cons. I don't think she's as big head friendly. So yeah, for my big head girls, I'm not sure if this is gonna be comfortable to wear because it does feel tight on me right now. Let me see what else. I don't know if you guys saw the install, but I did pluck in some hairs up here in the front, and I did glue this lace down, so I didn't do a super good job because here's some of my natural hair coming out. But besides that, she doesn't really need to be bumped here either. Like, I didn't even put hairspray right here because it already seems to come with that bump. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and bye. Take care.